Welcome to Vietnam, a land of breathtaking landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. But today, we won't be exploring it on foot. We'll be soaring through the skies, capturing the beauty of this incredible country from an entirely new perspective. From the iconic Ha Long Bay to the majestic mountains of Sapa, the bustling streets of Ho Chi Minh City, and the peaceful beaches of Phu Quoc, get ready for an unforgettable drone tour across Vietnam's most stunning destinations. Ha Long Bay, the crown jewel of Vietnam. Our journey begins at one of the most famous wonders of the world, Ha Long Bay. With over 1,600 limestone islands rising from the sea, this UNESCO World Heritage Site looks like something out of a dream. Why visit Ha Long Bay? Scenic cruises through breathtaking landscapes, secret caves and lagoons waiting to be discovered. Rich marine life perfect for snorkeling and kayaking. Sapa, the mountain paradise. High in the mountains of northern Vietnam lies Sapa, a place where nature and culture intertwine. Known for its breathtaking rice terraces and misty peaks, this is a paradise for adventurers and photographers alike. Why visit Sapa? Spectacular hiking trails with panoramic mountain views, ancient rice terraces carved into the hills over centuries, cultural immersion with Vietnam's indigenous tribes. Hanoi, the heart of Vietnam. Next, we head to Vietnam's capital, Hanoi, a city where the past and present collide. From ancient pagodas to French colonial architecture, every street tells a story. Why visit Hanoi? Rich history and culture, from ancient temples to colonial landmarks. World-famous street food, including pho and banh mi. Bustling nightlife, with night markets and traditional performances. Hoi An, the ancient trading port. Welcome to Hoi An, a city frozen in time. Once a bustling trading port, today it's one of Vietnam's most well-preserved historic towns, known for its charming streets and iconic lantern festivals. Why visit Hoi An? Magical lantern festivals that light up the night sky, well-preserved architecture blending Vietnamese, Chinese, and French styles, unique tailor shops, where you can get custom-made clothes in just a day. Phu Quoc, Vietnam's island paradise. Our final stop takes us to Vietnam's most beautiful island, Phu Quoc. With pristine beaches, coral reefs, and dense jungles, this tropical paradise is the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Why visit Phu Quoc? Unspoiled beaches with powdery white sand. Vibrant marine life, ideal for diving and snorkeling. Unforgettable sunsets over the Gulf of Thailand. From towering mountains to golden beaches, from ancient cities to modern skylines, Vietnam is a land of endless wonders. And through the lens of a drone, we've seen its magic like never before. Which of these places would you visit first? Let us know in the comments below. Like this video if you enjoyed this aerial adventure. Subscribe for more breathtaking drone explorations. Turn on notifications so you never miss a journey. See you in the skies on our next adventure.